What's up, creative crowd? My name is Polilaria Cosino, aka Cosino Art. I am an animation director and creative producer in Insomnia Production. And today we're gonna be answering a question I get a lot. Can artists make money? And how to turn your passion into a career? The short answer for it is yes, you can. But before we jump into that, I have created this channel to support young inspiring artists like yourself looking for information and ways how to make it in this world as an artist and actually make a living. So if you want to see more of these videos, support my channel by subscribing and clicking that like button below. So the main question, how do you turn your art into a career? I like to separate it into three categories. Number one is freelance. Freelance artists often do work online. There are many websites and resources available for you if you want to try and become a freelance artist. Oftentimes kind of work for hire kind of deal where you would be given a project or an assignment and you have to complete it. Freelance work is usually different from commissions. We're gonna get to that a little bit later. But basically when you are a freelance artist, you are given an assignment or you offer your services and your clients are gonna find you and tell you exactly what they need. For example, there are websites like Fiverr or Upwork where people are posting different jobs, or you can post your services as an artist. Being a freelance artist doesn't necessarily mean that you only work online. That also depends on what you do, but sometimes you can be hired to work in a place, for example, even in a company as a freelance artist, but it's just that your contract is a little bit different. You are only secluded to this one project, and once your contract is done, you're done. There are many different types of freelance artists. There are many different ways of earning money as freelance artists. And I'm actually gonna get to it in my next video where we're gonna dive in detail about actual freelance work and resources for that, but this is just to get you started. Number two, your art. There are so many ways to make living as an artist. But something to keep in mind is that if you want to make money with your own art, you must have a fan base. That means that you would need to focus on growing your following, growing your fan base, and getting more people to support you so that you could be monetizing your artwork, selling that merch, making those prints. You could be making all of these things as an artist. Maybe you would be offering commissions where you would paint people in your own style, selling a tutorial course or merchandise like t-shirt or stickers and prints and things like that. There are many options, but this is definitely one of the most challenging ways to make money as an artist, just because you need to grow your audience first, and that's something that takes time. And last, the professional way. By that I mean getting a job in an actual studio or company as an artist. There are so many companies nowadays that are looking for artists, and I would say if you want to be hired by a studio, the type of companies you want to look into is animation, video games. Video games is a big one, it's growing so rapidly. VR, comics, and even advertisement. Advertisement is actually an option that not many people think about when they think about becoming an artist in a studio, but there are a lot of advertisement or even the publishing houses that are looking for artists, so keep that in mind. You know, think outside of the box. Of course, we have big ones like animation, like comics, like video games and such, but there are also other categories that you should definitely consider, because you know what? If people don't think about it, they're not gonna compete with you for the role in that company, so that's already good. Make sure to consider all of the options, make sure to research, and always think outside of the box. I have many exciting videos coming up soon. Art careers, how to get there, how to get into those interviews, industry work, freelance work, all of that, and so much more. Some more fun content too, so please stay tuned, subscribe, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like this video or if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, Creative Gang. Make sure you see these videos over here, and I will see you next time.
I know a Wonder Woman, she's a superhuman. She doesn't need a cape or comic book she makes. She doesn't change religions, she's used to shows and stages. She can do anything, this superhuman.